What up? It's Kazi, and we're back with another video. And basically, in this video, I'm gonna be going over all the stuff that I got to start my auto detailing business. So let's get right into it. So first up, we got the Meguiar's Hot Shine Foam. It cleans, shines, protects, and you basically use it on your tires. And I believe I got that one for like I think like $10, $9.99. And then next I got this all surface cleaner for carpet, all this stuff, leather, basically all interior. Um, and that cost me about $10 as well. And then next I got some glass cleaner. Now I'm not sure this is the best glass cleaner, but it's ammonia free, so it doesn't affect window tint and all of that stuff. And for that one I paid about $4.39. And then last for not but not least, for cleaning chemicals, I got this Max Power car wash by Turtle Wax for $13. um and basically you just add little bits to water, and it does the job. And it says it works with the foam spray, so that's important right there. And but yeah, that's it for the products for now. And next I got some microfibers and some detailing brushes. We got an exterior brush. I'm not actually, a lot of these ones, I don't really remember the price on those ones. So these ones I'm not sure, but this wheel brush right here, this wheel one, I paid about $13. Um, so and it's got like soft, semi-firm bristles. And next up, I got this microfiber glass cleaner, cleaning towel, and it came in a pack of two for about $4.39. And then I got these microfibers, and these actually came with my power washer set, which I'll talk about in a second here. And then right here is the actual pack of 50 microfiber towels. And for this, I paid $32.99, kind of pricey. But you got your, exterior, and then you got your interior. That works for that. And that's now these next two items. You probably don't need both of them, but I got two. So I got this basically mitt here, and use it to wash the outside of the car with the foam. And but if you have that, you may not need this, but I got this as well. It's basically the same thing but attached to a pole, so you can like get on top of the roof, get all over, get all sudsy. You feel me? What did I pay for that one? 18.49 for that thing. But hey, I don't know if I need both. But hey, I got this one with my power washer set. I got it for free, so I ain't complaining. I guess I'll be using both at some point. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say about those two. Now this next thing is completely optional. You can definitely go on the lighter side with it, but I just thought it was convenient. I got this little electric station here, so it's kind of nice. You got your cable, and then you just comes in with a built-in like organizing roller thing. But yeah, it's got everything you need on here. You can plug your phone in USB, and then it's got 4 different ports, surge protector. So this will work great. You plug it in, and then you can plug in your power washer, your vacuum, your compressor, all you need. Definitely optional though. You can definitely go the cheaper route and just get an extension cord, and then get a little attachment, and then you'll have more options. And then I got this squeegee. This actually came with the power washer, and so did this foam cannon. I didn't actually pay for these separately, which is kind of convenient. But definitely need that. And here is the actual power washer itself. So this one it's actually made for auto detailing. So the pressure is not too strong, you know. It's got 1,200 psi, I believe. But you get the cord, you get the wand here slash gun, and you get the actual unit itself. And by the way, that comes with the squeegee, the mitt, the freaking foam cannon, and the damn microfibers. I got that for about 164 for all of that in that package. And then I got this fit hose, and basically it's anti-kink and it like flattens and it's like lightweight. Got that one from Walmart. I think I spent like 64 on that. So yeah, this is the little water setup. Feel me? And also I got this 4-gallon bucket with the grit screen on the inside, so it separates the dirt from the water. That's one thing. I think I need another bucket because that's just one bucket. I'm gonna probably get like 2 more buckets, but yeah, we got one so far. Look here, I got a DeWalt shop vac. I got the smaller one because I probably won't need anything too big. And this one is a wet dry vacuum. So it's pretty heavy duty. It's pretty nice. Yeah, this is a nice vacuum. Also, you could buy attachments. So I wanted to get like a detailing kit. And basically the detailing kit has more items, right? So I'll show you that in a second. So basically the kit came with this. And then it came with these 2 different brush attachments. And this. And I think like those 2 and maybe that one, those actually came with the vacuum by itself. But like these kind of give you a nice variety of options to use. And basically, so for the wet dry vac, I spent, for the kit I spent 64, and then for the actual vacuum it was 74. The electric station was 69.98, and then the power washer was 169. So with the grand total of 403 with tax. Kind of pricey, you know, but that was that. And then for the AutoZone haul, that was about 118 with tax. And then I forget what, I don't have the Walmart receipt. Kind of mad about that, bro. Oh, I forgot to mention. So this is kind of weird. When I open the attachment box for the vacuum, came with this in there. It's not even the same brand. Doesn't even fit my vacuum. Like, what was this doing in the box? Beyond me. Shit. But yeah, I'm gonna get some major suckage, you feel me? But yeah, and then obviously it came with the detailing kit for the vacuum, came with another tube. So there's like 2 tubes. But yeah, that's basically everything that I had copped today. That's the big haul. So basically all those together is gonna run you about $521, and including the Walmart, it'll probably bring you up to like 6. So in total, you're around 600 to start your business, and then boom, from there you just start building your client base. You know, detail your own car, detail your friend's car, somebody's car, take some videos, and then start getting set up. But that's gonna be it for this video. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Maybe this helps somebody out trying to, you know, potentially think about it or start their own detailing business. And it's your boy Kazi, and we're signing out today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Peace out, yo.